In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Robinhood Legend. Robinhood Legend is an advanced web trading experience built right into your existing Robinhood account. Think of it as a powerful interface designed for active traders, with richer charts, customizable layouts, and fast order tools. You don't create a new account for Legend, you simply unlock it from the account you already use. So everything stays in one place and your portfolio, watch lists, and settings remain connected. If you don't have a Robinhood account yet, start on the official Robinhood Legend page. Use a trusted browser on a desktop or laptop, and make sure you're on the real Robinhood site by checking the URL and the secure padlock. Click Unlock Legend, then follow the prompts to open a standard Robinhood investing account. You'll go through the usual sign-up and approval process. Approval can take a bit of time, so be patient and complete any requested verification promptly. Once you're approved, return to the Legend page and finish the setup there. Because Legend is a feature of your account, unlocking it after approval is quick and straightforward. If you already have a Robinhood account, the process is even simpler. Log in on the Robinhood website using a desktop browser. From the main menu, often on the left sidebar or within your account options, look for Robinhood Legend and click it. Follow the on-screen steps to enable it. If you don't see the option, try updating your browser, disabling any aggressive content blockers temporarily, or refreshing the page. Legend is optimized for desktop, so you'll have the best experience on a larger screen. You'll use Legend in your web browser on a desktop or laptop. There isn't a separate mobile app for Legend. Some features can still tie into your phone if you want, such as syncing watch lists or receiving notifications, but the full trading workspace lives on the web. For the smoothest performance, keep your browser updated and consider a wired or stable internet connection. After opening Legend, take a moment to personalize your workspace. Arrange multiple charts, set up watch lists, and choose timeframes that match how you trade. You can place orders directly from a chart or use the order panel for precision. Explore indicators and multi-chart views to compare symbols or test different strategies side by side. Start with a layout that feels clean and intuitive, then add tools as you get comfortable. And remember, Legend is simply an enhanced way to interact with your existing account. Unlock it once, customize it to your style, and you're ready to trade with speed and clarity.